So good day, friends. Good day, humans. Yet again, it's a me, the one who never lies. Yes, I talk exaggerations. Yes, I sometimes talk too much, but I never lie. Okay? How come it's possible? What size of my ego is if I can say these things out loud? Because if I play a game of present medias, politicians and so on, at the present moment, I'm just saying what I know. So the only thing I know is that I don't lie. I'll just say the informations. They're not always fully confirmed by facts, scientific, military, secret service informations, galactic informations. But the only place where I confirm them is within me. So stating anything what I'm stating in many of my blabbings is always the truth. So why does it matter? Why does it matter that I always tell the truth? It matters to me. I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm prosperous, I'm full of integrity, and I'm very, very kind. Not really to the ones that are still continue doing the same old crap from before. At least this is when they start playing a victim. But I'm kind to mostly to everybody around me. So being truthful is the only solution for you to start feeling better. Being full of integrity is the only way for you to become fully healthy. Not being competitive is the only way to truly recognize what life is. So, title for today's little story is called like this. Imagine a competition within your body. Did you ever heard a sentence, the winner takes it all? Did you ever heard a list about Forbes 100 top earners? I mean, I would rewrite it. It would be 100 the best thieves of human energy, or 100 best deceivers. So imagine the nature start living in a competition. Imagine the trees are start fighting. No, I want this sun. I want that part of the land. This is the most better. Then where you're standing is the most, good one. So I will grow all over you and eat you. They don't do this. Nature don't do this. So because you were once fully, let's call it natural and organic, then you did not have a competition inside of your body. Well, the situation changed. We as a humanity been twisted into very unhumane and unorganic way of living by competition, by always finding a way to lie better than the other advocate who's defending or who's attacking. That you will find any kind of excuse, even playing a worse victim of all, just to get what you want at the present moment, to pleasure yourself for next couple of years. But your body become absolutely detached from this natural non-competitiveness, so it starts really bringing a big competition within your body. and you're treating it as an illness. Now, my friends, this is not illness. This is just you not recognizing your body as the most sacred temple where you reside. And you start fighting within yourself by doing nasty things to many others, many other creatures, like animals, by eating them. You're doing many other nasty things to other humans, by being better than them, by telling them what to do, by wanting to control them, by eating them. In some instances of the very, very dark, sinister, very creepy communities, or sects you call them. So what is the solution? If you just try to imagine that your asshole decides, I'll go in competition with your mouth, and I will shit on the world whenever I am. And this is what, when you see all these freaks, doesn't matter, on the media, on the political scene, on a business scene, or whatever, money earning financial scene, which will be like, bye-bye, soon. Yet, these are actually having their assholes where there is their mouth, and they are just pooping all around on everyone. Okay? So, to me, this is not a balanced human being. Or, let's say these ones, they are protesting against Trump putting a vagina on their heads. What was the actual, deep down meaning of all this? This is a disbalance of humanity, or whatever, of this human creature who decides to, instead of their head, their vagina takes over. So they're not a human being, they're vagina walking around, not having a clue why they're doing this. Why many of these nasty media outlets? Media outlets would not exist if there's no nasty people who work for these media outlets. If you find that you are challenged to do a very deceitful and lying thing, and you have to present it to the world, who's going to get the blame on it? Energetically, it's you, the presenter, or Alex Jones, or Stefan Molyneux, or all this, let's say, alternative freaks of the fake news, pretending they are really here to save you. Nobody will save you but go back to them. They cannot go and pretend they are the saviors, because energetically they are just replacing their mouth with their ass, with their foot. Or with their vagina. Some of these female anchors, or whatever they call them, they putting vaginas on their heads. So, to control the world, many of these, the feminine movement, were planning to do through their vaginas, putting themselves out in either as they are musicians, they are dancers, or whatever, but not realizing they're not in balance. Their body become in competition, or the parts of their body, they become in competition with the other parts of their body. So suddenly their vagina takes over, or the asshole of Alex Jones takes over and it goes through his mouth. So what they are doing, they are crapping the world around and not making it a better place. They're actually making it dirtier and dirtier by this competitiveness within themselves. So is there a remedy for this? Of course it is. Consider that you're not better than anybody else. First thing. Second, consider that you cannot avoid taking a full energetic hit for anything that you do based on your paycheck. Doesn't matter. You're carrying a gun or you're talking dirty to another people through your news media outlet because your director told you to do this. So consider next time you start opening your mouth, is this your mouth or is this your ass?